Hi, welcome to Excel Tips GH. My name is John and I'll be your tutor for this course. In our previous lesson, we threw light on the car elements, its impact on the payee calculation. So in today's course, we are going to integrate this into our payroll system so that it will automatically calculate our chargeable our income tax after inputting the right information. So let's go to our Excel sheet. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to insert a column over here. And then another one. So this side we are going to calculate our total cash emoluments. So this is going to be equal to this plus our cash allowances and then our excess bonus. So we come to this side. This is our excess bonus. And then remember that for senior qualifying employees, we need to add the overtime they earn. So this is it. This is the column where their total cash emolument exceeds 1,500. Remember that this was generated in such a way that it will add every overtime exceeding whose total cash emolument exceeds 1,500. So plus this one. We can check to see if that is the case. Let's put a basic salary of 4,000 and then an overtime of 200 to see its effect. Okay, so this is it. You see here it has returned the whole overtime, and then there was no overtime taxed on the less than 50% and the exceeding 50%. So this becomes our total cash emolument. Here for this column, we are going to put our car element here. And then we insert another column here for our working. 1, 2, and then 3. Thank you. So this side becomes our car element, and then here becomes our limit. Remember there is limits with the car element, and here becomes the actual charge. So and then here we are going to create a column here or a table here for them. Let us go to our notepad again and then copy all of these things and paste them over here, this information. Good. This one should be here. These ones should be here. This one should be here. Okay, then let us bring everything closer. We should bring this side to this side. And let us close this a little bit. Thank you. Now this is the information we'll be using. Okay, at the first column, let us put none. So when it is none, the rate is going to be 0 and 0. Now we are not done yet. Let us go to our car element column and then insert a drop down list. Go to data validation, and then the list. Our source is going to be this side. From here to here. Okay. Now let us drag it down. This side is okay. So we have our drop down list. You can just select if there is a car element, if it is fuel only, car only, car and fuel, driver, car and fuel, and if there is none, you select it. Now this side should be able to link whatever we do over here, whatever we select over here, the rate here. So this is going to be equal to VIN lookup. The lookup value is going to be this. The table array is going to be this, and let us lock this side. The column index should be 2, and it should be an exact match. Now whatever it returns, we are to multiply it by the total cash emolument. Enter. So you see here it is none and it is returning 0. So let us select car and fuel. You see it has multiplied it by the basic salary, the total cash emolument. Now the next thing we have to do is to bring the limits here. So this place to it is going to be VIN lookup. The lookup value is going to be the car element portion, and then the table array 2 is going to be this side. This time around we are going to return 1 2 3 1 2 3, the third column. But first let us lock this side, 1 and then 2. So we can lock, we can select the third, enter. So the limit is 250. Now here the charge is going to be what we are going to charge, and that should be if this side is greater than this side, then it should return to this side. So equal to, if this is greater than this, comma, then it should be this, otherwise this, enter. So the charge we are going to add to our total cash emolument is going to be 250. Thank you for watching. In our next lesson we are going to add it to our